Oh yeah, it's what it's looking like. Yo, what's up everybody? We're back on the channel with some updates for you on the 3valve swap. So we got the motor pulled after a long day today, and we're gonna take a look. So let's have it. So we got the 3valve out in the trans. Jacking it up from here. This is what you got to do. So we lowered the motor down onto some dollies. We'll see how good they hold up. And then we lifted the body up. So this is the 3valve out. Take a look. Custom headers. T45 trans, probably one of the first Stifler's cross members. And the AJE K member and control arms. You know, just a little old 4.6 3valve from a 07 Mustang. And we're about to do some maintenance. You can kind of see the rust poking through on the strut towers. We rerouted the fuel lines. So we rerouted the fuel lines that come out back there. And then we're going to go over the hydro boost. We had to disconnect the steering shaft. And you can kind of see a little bit of rust over there too, so that's what we're taking care of. That's why we had to pull the motor. Just another typical Mustang, but you'll have that. Just a regular 1-ton engine hoist. We're about to lower that back down in a second. We're gonna get the motor. Hopefully I'll be able to get it in here. And then this is all the parts. The K-member spacers, which is almost like basically a body lift. Took off the sway bar, the Kohler, the springs. There's the steering shaft. And we're getting the garage full of parts. So it's pretty hot today. And I just wanted to give you an update. That we pulled the motor. A little bit too quick. It's a little bit hard to do stuff with one hand. But I want to just lower that down a little bit instead of having it super high. So we'll get a better look. You can kind of see a basic port job on the throttle body. Nothing crazy, just took that lip off. But bare bones engine bay. Wanted to touch it up, spruce it up a little bit. Maybe weld in all these holes, smooth it out a little bit. Not gonna go too crazy. Then I'm just gonna respray it with some bed liner again. And then we're gonna take out the hydro boost and put the other brake pedal in, and then I'll show you what's involved in doing the hydro boost in a foxbody. So doing all this in reverse, but hope you like this content I got coming for you. Ain't nothing special, ain't a show car. You can see the bump steer on it. I think they're just the regular new edge spindles. And I got the calipers hanging up in there. got the Pro 5.0 shifter. Can't really see it, but we got a spec stage 3 clutch up in there too. I ain't gonna take the trans and motor apart. I'm just gonna leave it like this. Do some maintenance on it, clean it up, clean the strut towers, and throw it back in. And then get all these parts back in. So yeah, like I said, showed before, gonna use some of this for strut tower repair. We got some tubular for the middle where the bolts go through, some more metal for the frame, and thicker metal in the cardboard. And we got the power steering pump off and reservoir. So we got our work cut out, and we're gonna keep you up to date with it. So till them next videos, keep hitting them like, share, and subscribe buttons. Keep tuning in, and I'm gonna show you how to 3-valve swap. So you know what to do. Till that next video, peace.